Alright, what's up guys? Today we're doing a short little video. I got my homie's Elite Plastics here. He's going from black to a different color, and right now I'm just sanding it down. Better watch how you standing on the panel. This ice is colder than death. My bro, he stood on my left. We came for nothing, now the whole city swept. Gotta get the paper for real. Still ain't signed no major deal. My whole life I highlight real. My whips are all surreal. How you switch up on me? You was supposed to be my shit. Kept it solid, you ain't gotta ask if it's real. You know the deal. I had to focus on what mattered the most. Kept it solid, I'm down with the ghost. Tryna keep up with me, you gon' go broke. I went from hustling to rapping, I'm goated. They say I'm hot, hater, no not the goated. In a new ride, I can make it do donuts. Anywhere I lay my head is a safe house. I crank it up, have them beating the door down. You went against the grain, where you gonna go now? Rap like a veteran.